Hey there, amazing parents and curious kids. Welcome to Kitty's Kingdom Dominion, your go-to place for fun and educational activities. Today, we're diving into 5 fun and messy science experiments that your kids will absolutely love. These activities are not only entertaining, but also educational, sparking curiosity and creativity. Ready to turn your home into a mini science lab? Let's jump right in and explore the wonders of science together. First up, the timeless favorite, the volcano eruption. This classic experiment never fails to amaze. All you need is baking soda, vinegar, and some food coloring. These simple ingredients create a spectacular reaction. Mold your volcano with some clay or an empty bottle, add a few tablespoons of baking soda, and then pour in the vinegar. The reaction is instant and thrilling. Watch as the bubbly lava flows out and your kids' faces light up with excitement. This experiment is a fantastic way to introduce them to chemical reactions. Next, it's slime time. Slime is not only fun to play with, but also a great way to learn about polymers. You'll need glue, baking soda, and contact lens solution. These ingredients come together to form a stretchy, gooey substance. Mix the glue with a pinch of baking soda, then slowly add the contact lens solution. The mixture will start to thicken and come together. Get your hands in there and knead until you have the perfect ooey gooey slime. This hands-on activity is perfect for sensory play. Add glitter or food coloring for extra fun. Customize your slime with different colors and sparkles to make it unique. Trust me, your kids won't be able to put it down. Slime is a great way to keep them engaged and entertained for hours. Now let's create some rainbow magic. This experiment is visually stunning and easy to set up. Pour some milk into a shallow dish, add drops of different food coloring, and then dip a cotton swab in dish soap. The soap breaks the surface tension of the milk. Gently touch the milk with the soapy swab and wow! The colors will spread and swirl, creating a beautiful display. Watch the colors explode into a beautiful rainbow. This experiment is like magic right before their eyes and teaches them about surface tension. For the next experiment, grab a glass of clear soda and a handful of raisins. This one is all about buoyancy and gas bubbles. Drop the raisins into the soda and watch them dance. The carbon dioxide bubbles attach to the raisins, making them float. The bubbles will lift the raisins up and down. It's a simple yet fascinating experiment that's sure to captivate young minds. This is a great way to introduce them to the concept of density. Last but not least, let's have a balloon rocket race. This experiment is all about physics and fun. Thread a piece of string through a straw and tie each end to chairs across the room. This will be the track for your balloon rocket. Inflate a balloon, but don't tie it. The air inside will propel the balloon forward. Tape the balloon to the straw and let go. Watch as it shoots across the room, demonstrating the principles of thrust and propulsion. Want to make it a race? Set up multiple strings and see whose balloon rocket wins. This adds a competitive element to the fun. And there you have it. 5 fun and messy science experiments that promise giggles and wonder. These activities are perfect for sparking a love for science in your kids. Remember to always supervise your little scientists and encourage their curiosity. Safety first, but fun is a close second. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Kitty's Kingdom Dominion for more exciting and educational content. We have plenty more experiments and activities to share. Thanks for watching, and happy experimenting. Keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, keep having fun.